You may wonder what our future generation may look like because of the effects of smoking. As young adults, we should try our best to stop people from smoking to prevent an increase in disease and death. One of my personal experience is I had difficulty in breathing because of severe smoking, wherein I have to go to hospital just to aid it. I used to smoke for 1 year and I never thought of the dangers caused by smoking. Finally, I quit smoking. I would like to start with what nicotine is. Nicotine is a naturally occurring colorless liquid that turns brown when burned and acquires the odor of tobacco when exposed to the air. Nicotine is a high-powered stimulant and one of the most addictive drugs. In fact, the Surgeon General concluded that nicotine addiction is comparable with the addiction of heroin and morphine. When a cigarette is smoked, nicotine first enters the lungs and bloodstream. Within 7 seconds, about 15% of the nicotine travels directly to the brain. There are over 4,000 toxic substances in a cigarette. Some of these are arsenic, found in rat poison, acetic acid, found in hair dye developer, ammonia, found in household cleaner, benzene, found in rubber cement, and thousands more. These toxic substances go in the lungs, blood of our friends and relatives. The result of this unhealthy habit is different types of cancer. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention reports that cigarette smoking is responsible for 30% of all cancer deaths. Smokers not only die of lung cancer but also of cancer of the mouth, throat, esophagus, bladder, kidney, cervix, and leukemia. Now, I am going to talk about different diseases that smoking could cause. Let's start with bronchitis. When smoker has bronchitis, his or her bronchial tubes become inflamed or irritated. Emphysema is a lung disease that has no cure. A person with this disease has difficulty breathing because the walls of the small air sacs in the lungs are being destroyed. Heavy smoker also increase their chances of getting peripheral vascular disease. In this disease, the arteries that lead to the arms and legs getting narrower as a result, not enough oxygen. Rich blood goes to the arms and legs. It is better to give up complete rather than cut down slowly. If you really want to live a healthy lifestyle and living without threat, stop smoking. Just imagine how would be your health condition if you smoke frequently. Think about it. Thank you for listening and have a good day.